Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Just looking at some social media, there's a town in Massachusetts, the Boston suburbs, called Rhode, Massachusetts. They have 16 inches of snow already on the ground. So the very localized heavy bands of snow setting up for eastern Massachusetts. That's where the most snow will fall. Now, here in Rhode Island, we'll get a substantial amount of snow as well. Certainly enough to shovel and plow. We'll show you those numbers in just a second. But as expected, I'm starting to see more blue on the live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. And that's an expansion of the snow shield. Simple. Light blue is light snow. Darker blue, and you see bands of it now, are heavier snow. So the intensity of the snow starting to increase and fill in, and this will continue throughout the evening hours, overnight, through early tomorrow morning. So steady snow, check. Strong winds, yep, it's already gusting 40 miles per hour on the coastline. Extreme cold, temperatures are already tumbling. We have wind chills now that are below zero and getting even colder. Take a look at the Pinpoint ICAST. Take the forecast a step further as far as specific impacts and certainly how it impacts you. Of course, the wind is a big factor. That'll cause blowing and drifting of the snow because the texture of the snow is dry and fluffy. So if you sweep it away, or if the plow moves the snow off the road, later tonight the wind blows the snow back over the road. So kind of a tough to clean up the road situation. As far as cancellations and delays, as expected, they are coming in. In fact, I was talking to Ted Nisi about an hour ago. Over 400 so far on our website, on our cancellation website, and counting, and additional cancellations are likely for tomorrow. Numerous schools already, so WPRI.com, and you'll find that link. And as far as the roads, of course, they've been slippery today, especially the secondary roads, but it is a completely different ball game very shortly, as the intensity of the snow at some point may come at the rate of 1 inch per hour. That's difficult for the road crews to keep up on. So the visibility of the conditions of the road really going downhill overnight tonight, this evening, through at least the early morning hours of Friday. It's only 10 in Gloucester, upper 20s along the South Shore, even colder air to our north. I've just noticed now within the last 20 minutes, the visibilities really start to come down in Providence. And, you know, visibility is a function of snow intensity. The more intense the snow, of course, the visibility comes down. It's 16, wind chills already creeping below zero. By tomorrow morning, 15, 20, 25 degrees below zero. That is the wind chill factor as the winds start to pick up north at 18, gusting to 40. Here's the wider view. Storm will be developing and taking shape south of New England overnight tomorrow morning, and then moving away by tomorrow afternoon. But look at all of this blue on your TV set. Widespread heavy snow that has to be coming through this evening and overnight. These are not wind chills, actual air temperatures northern New England. So what will happen is, as the storm pulls away, a strong northerly wind will pull down this colder air, kind of reinforce it over the area tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. Starting off at 7 o'clock, light to moderate snow. Look at the intensity increasing throughout the overnight. This is 11 o'clock at night, right on through 2 o'clock in the morning into the early morning hours. Wind blown, wind swept, heavy snow, but watch how fast it moves out. Noontime, it's out of here with the exception of the Cape. In fact, sunshine tomorrow afternoon, but it will be ineffective sun. It will not help the temperatures at all. How much snow by Friday morning? 6 to 8 in our southern suburbs, southwest Rhode Island, 8 to 12 across a good chunk of the state, and then eastern Massachusetts, Bristol, Plymouth counties out towards New Bedford, over a foot of snow. So giving it the red caution, red warning light. It's not often I give the red light on the morning travel forecast, but certainly tomorrow morning, snow, windy, frigid, poor travel, though it does improve in the afternoon. But it's the windswept snow during the morning, actual air temperature only in the teens. But look, the visibility improves. The sun comes out in the afternoon, but it's ineffective sunshine. As this storm winds up tomorrow morning, it will look like this at 4 or 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. Wind-blown snow, reduced visibility, and bitter cold wind chills. It improves tomorrow afternoon as far as the snow. It is bitterly cold but bright on Saturday, and of all things, milder by Sunday and Monday, with not snow but rain showers by Monday, and temperatures in the 40s. And while we always hone in on the snow, do not ignore the wind and the bitter cold also.